Want to speak English confidently? Speak, speak, learn, practice, improve. Speak English confidently every day. Let's speak English together.
I am going to a restaurant. I am going to a restaurant. I am looking at the menu. I am looking at the menu. I want this dish, please. I want this dish, please. Can I have some water? Can I have some water? The food looks good. The food looks good. This is very tasty. This is very tasty. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. Can I get the bill, please? Can I get the bill, please? I will pay with my card. I will pay with my card. Thank you, goodbye. Thank you, goodbye. A table for two, please. A table for two, please. I would like some juice. I would like some juice. What is today's special? What is today's special? I want some dessert. I want some dessert. Can I have a napkin? Can I have a napkin? Does this have nuts? Does this have nuts? I will take this home. I will take this home. This is for you, thank you. This is for you, thank you. I love this food. I loved this food. See you next time. See you next time. I am waiting for a table. I am waiting for a table. I am checking my phone. I am checking my phone. I wash my hands first. I wash my hands first. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? I would like some coffee. I would like some coffee. Can we split the bill? Can we split the bill? The food was delicious. The food was delicious. Can I have more sauce? Can I have more sauce? Can I get this to go? Can I get this to go? I want to make a reservation. I want to make a reservation. I am getting ready. I am getting ready. I look nice today. I look nice today. I am walking to the restaurant. I am walking to the restaurant. Is the restaurant open? Is the restaurant open? I am opening the door. I am opening the door. I am sitting down now. I am sitting down now. Do you have vegetarian food? Do you have vegetarian food? This is very spicy. This is very spicy. Can I have more bread? Can I have more bread? I am taking a photo. I am taking a photo. Do you want to try this? Do you want to try this? Is the food good? Is the food good? How long for the food? How long for the food? I am waiting for my food. I am waiting for my food. My food is here. My food is here. I am cleaning my mouth. I am cleaning my mouth. Can I have some salt? Can I have some salt? I am cutting my food. I am cutting my food. I am very full now. I am very full now. I am ready to leave. I am ready to leave. Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? I am walking this way. I am walking this way. I am washing my hands. I am washing my hands. I am back at the table. I am back at the table. Can I have one more drink? Can I have one more drink? This place looks nice. This place looks nice. I like this music. I like this music. Can I have an extra plate? Can I have an extra plate? I am paying with cash. I am paying with cash. I am putting on my jacket. I am putting on my jacket. Goodbye, see you soon. Goodbye, see you soon. I am walking home now. I am walking home now. Dinner was so much fun. Dinner was so much fun. Let me check the price. Let me check the price. Let's share this dessert. Let's share this dessert. Can you take our photo? Can you take our photo? Cheers to today. Cheers to today. Thank you for the candy. Thank you for the candy. Is there parking nearby? Is there parking nearby? I will write a good review. I will write a good review. I am checking the restaurant. I am checking the restaurant. Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside? I am putting on my shoes. I am putting on my shoes. I am locking the door. I am locking the door. I am going by bus. I am going by bus. Hello, I have a reservation. Hello, I have a reservation. What is the Wi-Fi password? What is the Wi-Fi password? I need to charge my phone. I need to charge my phone. I want to order food. I want to order food. I am here for pickup. I am here for pickup. I am walking home now. I am walking home now. I am setting the table. I am setting the table. This food is so good. This food is so good. I am washing the dishes. I am washing the dishes. I am saving this food. I am saving this food. You should try this place. You should try this place. I am checking the menu online. I am checking the menu online. Which restaurant is better? Which restaurant is the better? I will choose this one. I will choose this one. I can't wait for tomorrow. I can't wait for tomorrow. Today is a special day. Today is a special day. Let's go to dinner tonight. Let's go to dinner tonight. We are here for the party. We are here for the party. This cake is for me? This cake is for me? I made a wish. I made a wish. Let's take a photo together. Let's take a photo together. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Today was a great day. Today was a great day. I learned new words today. I learned new words today. See you in the next video. See you in the next video.